Hello, students. Students, yesterday we had started our chapter 18 kinds of phrases, and we had discussed about the meaning of phrase, and we had done a few exercise of phrases, and we had also discussed about adjective phrase. Today we will discuss about adverb phrase. What do you mean by adverb phrase? So, before going to start adverb phrase, first of all, we will try to understand the meaning of adverb. We have already done adverb chapter, and I would like to tell the meaning of adverb. That adverb is a word that modify the verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Students, look at the example. The children sang the school song enthusiastically. Here you can see enthusiastically the highlighted word. It is an adjective or it is an adverb. The highlighted word is an adverb. It can be replaced. So we can't say any single word that it is adverb phrase, but we can replace that adverb verb with adverb phrase. It can be replaced with phrase with enthusiasm. So if you really want to change that adverb into adverb phrase, we have to add at least one word. So we can use with enthusiastically, and we can change enthusiastically into enthusiasm. Here, when we change the adverb into adverb phrase, it doesn't mean that the meaning of sentence will change with the phrase with enthusiasm without changing the meaning of the sentence. It doesn't mean that when we change enthusiastically into with enthusiasm, it doesn't mean that its meaning will change. The phrase modifies verb sang. I've already told you that verb modifies the adverb modifies the verb, adjective, or another adverb. Here, with enthusiasm is modifies the verb sang and tell us the manner of singing. Thus, it is an adverb phrase. So we can say it is an adverb phrase. Students, to find out the adverb phrase, we will take the help of a few WH family words just like where, when, how, what. Read these sentences. We have three examples. The seeds were scattered in all directions. So if we really put where, definitely we will get the answer. The seeds were scattered where? We are getting the answer in all directions. In all directions, it is an adverb phrase. Second, the artist will arrive in an hour. If we really put the when, we are getting the again adverb phrase. The artist will arrive when? With an hour. Again we are getting the adverb phrase. So with the help of when, where, how, and many other WH family words, we can get the answer of adverb phrase. The same phrase can be used as an adverb phrase or an adjective phrase. We can see the example. He lost the bag at the shopping mall. The woman at the shopping mall looked worried. Students, you can see the highlighted words. In the first sentence, we found at the shopping mall. In the second sentence, we found the at the shopping mall. But both the phrase has different meaning. The same phrase has been used in both the sentence. In the first sentence, the phrase is adverb phrase, telling us where the bag was lost. If really use the where, He lost the bag where? We got the answer at the shopping mall. On the second, the woman at the shopping mall looked worried. Now, at the shopping mall in the second sentence is an adjective phrase. It describing the woman. We are getting the additional information about the woman. I've already told about the adjective and adverb difference, that in adjective phrase we describe the noun, and in adverb phrase we found that it modifies the verb, adjective or another adverb. Students, now we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter. Underline the adjective phrases in these sentences, then replace each with an adjective. So we'll discuss a few exercises of adjective phrases. It means we have to found an adjective phrase in each and every line. You can see the first question. A man of great wealth entered the room. So it's so simple. If we really try to find out the adjective phrase in first sentence, we will underline great wealth. Great wealth is an adjective phrase, and if we really replace this sentence with an adjective, then we will write a wealthy man entered the room. Similar in the second question, I admit that Mr. Gomes is a man of skill. In this sentence, the adjective phrase is man of skill, is an adjective phrase, and if we will replace this sentence with an adjective, then we will write I admit that Mr. Gomes is a skillful man. Similar in third question, a receptionist with a glum expression received us. In this sentence, the adjective phrase is with a glum expression. It is an adjective phrase, and when we will replace this with an adjective, then we will write a gloomy receptionist received us. The fourth sentence, we will write the miners had collected diamonds of great value, and in this sentence, of great value is the adjective phrase. In the fifth one, I left behind the handkerchief with mud on the chair. In this sentence, with mud is the adjective phrase. Sixth, we have to admit that it was an act of cowardice. An act of cowardice is the adjective phrase. Seventh, he leads a life of leisure. Of leisure is the adjective phrase. I placed the jug made of plastic on the table with a glass top. In this sentence, we have two adjective phrase. First one, made of plastic, and the second one, with a glass top. Ninth, it was really a night of horror. In this sentence, of horror is an adjective phrase. In 10th, I always knew that he was a boy with promise and would do well. With promise is an adjective phrase. In 11th, nobody likes a person with a bad temper. In this sentence, with a bad temper is an adjective phrase. In 12th, he is an actor of great versatility. And in this sentence, of great versatility is an adjective phrase. So, we have discussed about adverb phrase and a few exercise of adjective phrase. I will send the PDF of the answer of this exercise. Now we will discuss a last kind of phrase, and that is noun phrase. So first of all, we'll try to understand the meaning of noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that work as a noun. It answers the question what or who. Students, noun phrase, to whom we will call noun phrase, a group of words, and that complete group of words act as a noun, that is called noun phrase. We always know that noun came always in place of subject or object, but we will found that the group of words that placed in the place of object, that is called noun phrase. Look at the example. The boy wants water. That particular water is noun. We can't say noun phrase because it's only a single word. In the second sentence, the boy wants to drink water. The boy wants to drink water. To drink water is a noun phrase. Now you can see the boy is subject, wants is verb, and to drink water is object. To drink water, it is a complete group of words, and it's act like a noun, and it is placed in the object place. So we can say that it is a noun phrase. In the sentence, the phrase act as a object. We will see a few more examples. I have already told you that you will get the answer of noun phrase with the help of what or who. Just take it the example. Eating small portions is a good habit. It helps in weight loss. So if you really want to find out the noun phrase, you can use what? Just you can use what is a good habit. What is a good habit? If you are getting the answer of what is a good habit, eating small portions, that is a noun phrase. What does it help in? What does it help in? Weight loss. That particular words are noun phrase. Similar in the second sentence, you can see, I like to eat strawberries with cream. Again, you can use what to find out the noun phrase. What do I like to eat? Strawberries with cream. That is noun phrase. So it's so easy to find out the noun phrase with the help of what or who.